Ingredients: ducal cookies, condensed milk cream, unflavored jelly, lemons. Steps: first, add the same amount of condensed milk and milk cream in a bowl and mix. Second, squeeze the lemons to get lemon juice. Third, add the unflavored jelly and lemon juice to the mixture and mix. Pour, mix until and thick texture. 5. In a mold, add a layers of cookies and a layers of the mixture until filling the molds. 6. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Finally, enjoy your dessert.